Yeah, see, I got the freshly fish. This is some red snapper fish, guys. I'm gonna go straight into it, show you how you clean your fish, how you get your fish ready and prepare for some brown stew steamed fish from scratch. Watch this. Go wash your fish, clean it up, guys. Always put water in your fish. See all that red thing in the bottom? Fish is already soft and tender. No frost on it, so wash it off. Already clean, already double scaled. Check, guys, just wash the fish off. First, I'm gonna use some lime. Don't forget to use the lime juice, guys. Little lime juice and vinegar, always. Lime and a little vinegar, sprinkle it around it, guys. It's really easy and simple. Tap water, hot and cold mix. Washing it in, clean it as you go along. Guys, Chef Willie, you know we do a thing already. Boom. This is the fish season. No matter which one you chew first, just make sure you apply the pressure everywhere and not too much. Apply the fish seasoning and just hold it and sprinkle it. Hold it over the pot, sprinkle it. All over a little bit. See? In and out. And now, bam. Cause trust me, guys, the fish have a half seasoning on it. Let's say now I got taste no flavor. Especially when you start brown stew it. Now you have a brown stew, it have a little special thing, but I'm sure not only get the fish well brown stewed. Alright, now the garlic powder, watch out. Slightly lash like it, you know. Flaky like when the rain just a fall. It just a drizzle. Make it drizzle upon it. Not too much. This is the garlic powder, man. After the fish seasoning applies everything. And the garlic. Throw a little black pepper for spices. Because honestly, I don't have ground pepper today, guys. No ground pepper. I don't have it. So I gotta utilize and use them off. So I look at black pepper for getting little spike. You know, your food too fresh. Alright, black pepper. Chef Willie don't use salt, guys. All these seasoning that they're selling on the street got salt in it already. And it's gonna give you enough flavor where you don't need salt. Salt, right pressure and all anything that bad for health. Iodine and all of that. Look at black pepper that just apply. I'm gonna go ahead, onion. Like with my onion, just you don't even have to move this too much on onion because you see the fish have a lot of seasoning already. That's what you want. Give it the flavors. Anyway, you don't have too much, apply a little more. Now my fish, my 3 fish, is fully seasoned. Jamaica would say my 3 fish. You see me? My 3 fish them ready, seasoned, guys. And I'm gonna show you how we do this Chef Willie style brown stew fish from scratch. So this is a seasoning that I use. Onion powder, black pepper, a little garlic powder, fish seasoning, and browning to give it a color to make it brown stew. And this is the fish. First of all, guys, you gotta take a fish and make sure it's all dried up, because all that excessive water is when you throw wheat powdering on it, it's just gonna just drain or melt back off. Plus, don't forget, guys, when you're in the fish, don't forget to clean the guts out, the excessive blood and stuff. That see that they forgot to clean. You always don't be afraid to use your hand towel. That's why in the pandemic you see they buy a lot of hand towel, paper towel. And paper towel helps clean too, guys. You don't need only sanitizing towel. See that? All that excessive black, and I just clean it with vinegar and lime. I'm gonna show you guys. You take that piece, throw that away. You're supposed to start getting another fresh piece. Clean them again. Don't be afraid to clean your food. Make sure it's all dry. See that? No water on it. That's how you get your seasoning to stick on your fish. Clean it all out, guys. Don't be afraid. Let's start another one. And ready to mingle. guys. Go ahead and add it all, guys. You don't have to drown the pot. Just make sure it's all covered so you can cover your fish. Turn it on, make that go on hot up. Remember, I need to fry the fish first, guys. I ain't put no brown stew on it yet or nothing. I'll fry your fish first. Watch this. Look, I'll fry. Season well, season up. Guys, look, I got my seasoning over here. I got red peppers, yellow peppers. I got some orange peppers. We got carrots, garlic, and some scallion. I don't have hot country peppers today, guys, and I'm just gonna use that for now. This is what I got, but this is what I'm gonna show you out, guys. It's really easy and simple how to make brown stew steamed fish. I'm gonna show you guys really easy and simple brown stew fish from scratch. So guys, it's been 7 minutes now, almost 10 minutes from one side of fry. So I'm gonna take some more for a little burn on the edges. I'm gonna now have a spatula like this, guys. Look, it's called a spatula. Big on knife. You have an iron on here, a plastic one. This is what you move. Yeah, these parts are supposed to burn your fish. Or stick. But so you can move around, that's what we want. Guys, when you invest in a pot like this, it's better for you because you don't make your food sticks. So I just flip my fish for like, and it's frying for like almost 10 minutes, or now what do you say, like 7, and it was moving. It was the main object to make sure your fish could move. Don't really play with it. Make it fry now. I'm gonna make this side fry for another 7 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it. And when it got that little brown crispy color and it's crispy, then I'm gonna show you the next step in making your brown stew steamed fish with Chef Willie. Stay tuned from scratch. You can smell it in the air. Chef Willie on the third and last and final leg. That's the third fish. Put my little butter, see it melt. Pot all clean, guys. You always keep the kitchen in pot, the environment clean. When the butter melts, saute my butter, all my carrots, tomatoes, no more oil. Oil is just to fry the fish. So Chef Willie makes it brown stew. You can smell all this. I love the smell of natural brown seasoning, guys. It's so good. You can just saute this a little bit and eat it. That's me. And I would just eat that just like this with the fried fish. But that's how you do it when you make honest escovitch fish. I'll teach you guys that in a minute. But just look at that, guys. Over here. I like adding my little brown water sauce in this. My water, guys. Just a drop or two. Add a little more garlic and onion powder. Now make that up. Secret brown. Make my brownie sauce, my brown stew from scratch. Chef Willie. Go ahead, guys. We've already sauteing. Sauteing for a minute. See that? I'm gonna add a little saucy water. You guys, I like adding a little ketchup in mine. Secret. Young people don't know what I don't tell nobody. You see that? It's a little drop of ketchup. That eat the sauce right there. I remember, guys, I don't use salt in my food, you know, so I don't like when it's too salty. It's not good for you. I don't know what's in salt. Alright, Whoop. You could go ahead, guys, and lay your fishes in it. Mix your fishes wet a little bit, like, and then flip it. The other sides get a little water too. Got a little bit of the sauce from early. If you can't use an iron, guys, trust me, use a knife. It's easier. A spatula. It's nothing harder. They put most of your vegetables on top because they all sauteed already. Most of the fish in the bottom. Wash your pot, my team. See that? Fresh and clean. Cover my pot, wash pot and cover. And Chef Willie kitchen. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Look on this sniper. No, for real. Just look, guys. Brown stew steam fish from scratch. Make that one steam down. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, guys. You don't want it too high. Go on steam now. In my little plate, brown stew steam fish from scratch. Normally we give this like, so it's steam down. Everything steam. I'm gonna flip it a little bit. Give this another 10 minutes, 5 each side. I can smell the aroma in the air, guys. Hey, Chef Willie. Don't forget, yeah, like, share, and subscribe. New video coming soon. Always new video every week. Stay tuned. Up. So you guys, so Chef Willie make his plate from scratch. Brown stew steam fish. Look, and the food fully prepared. A lot of people when they cook their food, guys, they don't show you how they make their plate. You get your clean plate, guys. You clean it. Put a napkin, clean. You know, I like to prepare my food first. Take my food first out the pot. I'll show you. I'm gonna grab me a little flour. This is called wheat dumplings in Jamaica. I'm gonna grab me a corn. This is how Chef Willie prepares food. I'm gonna leave a piece of sweet potato, sweet plantains. I got me a sweet plantain. I like 2 corns, guys. I'm sometimes a little hungry. Based on what you want. Oh, I got white yam too. Put that in my plate. I think I need another dumpling. And Chef Willie eat a lot when he cook, y'all. I be hungry waiting for my plate. Look at this. Ooh, take your time, dig up this. Got me a potato. It's all healthy food right here, guys. Chef Willie. And then I just set it neat in my plate. And I'm gonna lay my fish right here on the side. Make sure don't oil water. See, no water's in my food, guys, in my plate. Because I took it up one at a time and I stick it like this. Drain out the water. I set back my plate for make my other plate for anybody who wanna come for Chef Willie food. This is how I do it. Chef Willie present this food, guys. Alright, I got 3 fishes in the pot. I'm gonna grab my spatula. Boom. I'm gonna take this one in the corner. Don't be greedy, guys, and go for the big one in the middle. I'm gonna rest this right here on the side here. Just, I'm gonna put this over a little bit. Or I could just put this in the front, put this in the back. Good. Twist this on a little bit. Fully prepared. I need me some gravy. Go in the pot, guys. Sprinkle the gravy on top. I don't make a lot of gravy because I don't eat a lot of gravy. But this is all natural gravy made from butter and water juice. And sprinkle it on my fish. My fish could stay moisture. Chef Willie, and I'll clean the edges off a little bit. That's how you present your food. And share it. Chef Willie, don't forget. Chef Willie present you some brown stew steam fish with carrots and corn, you know, boiled dumpling and wheat flour and white yam, and stay tuned. Chef Willie. And like, share, subscribe. Chef Willie always got something brand new for you guys to do. Stay tuned. New dance, new entertainment, you know. Oh.